Components in Next.js. A component in Next.js is like a small building block that helps you create web pages. Think of it as a small part of the web page, like a button, a heading, or a form, that you can create once and use many times. It helps you build your website by breaking it into smaller reusable pieces. Key features of component. Reusability. Once you create a component, like a button or a form, you can use it in many different places on your website without needing to recreate it. This saves time and effort. Example: if you design a Submit button, you can place that same button on a login page, sign-up page, and contact form without building a new button every time. 2. Organization, separation of concerns. Components help break your website into smaller, manageable parts. Each part has a specific job, making it easier to build and maintain the website. Example: think of a web page as a puzzle. Each component is a puzzle piece, like the header, sidebar, or footer, and when you put them together, you get the complete page layout. Server-side rendering, SSR. Next.js components can load data from the server before they are shown to the user. This helps in showing fresh data quickly and improving website speed. Example: a product page that fetches the latest product information like price and description from the server every time someone visits the page. Dynamic content with props. Components can receive data, known as props, to show different content. This makes components flexible and adaptable to different needs. Example: you have a greeting component that displays hello name. You can use it to greet different people, like hello Sarah or hello John, by passing different names as props. How to create component. Open your Next.js project. Use your code editor, e.g. VS Code, to open your Next.js project directory. Create a folder for components. Navigate to the app directory. Inside the app directory, create a new folder called Components to store your components. Create a new TSX file for the component. Inside the Components folder, create a new file with the .tsx extension. Example: create a file named header.tsx. Define the component inside the .tsx file. Open header.tsx and write a functional component. Save the file. Save the file with the written component function. Use the component in a page. Now navigate to a page where you want to use the component, e.g. page.tsx, inside the app directory. Import the header component. Your code editor, e.g. VS Code, will automatically detect that the header component has not been imported yet and suggest possible import paths. Once selected, the header component will automatically be imported at the top of your file. Now, you can complete your code by using the header component. View the component. Visit http localhost 3000 in your browser, and you should see the header component on your page. By following these steps, you will have successfully created and used a component in your Next.js application.
Thanks for watching. For more of short conceptual videos like, share and subscribe.